welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part for this to continue kitbash modeling in this tutorial. So just let's zoom in tiny bit. So let's add subdivision surface modifier. Go over here, click on the suggest branch, add a modifier. Let's add subdivision surface modifier, set it to 2. Let's see what we have here. If we have some topology issues, hit A to select all, then Shift N to recalculate the normals, M to merge by distance as shown here. So let's hide these 4 vertices after adding solidify modifier to make this thin much more thick. So just let's hide this part over there in order to grab some vertices up just tiny bit. Select this vertex, then hold down Control, then select all these vertices like this. Just I'm gonna be grabbing those vertices just tiny bit up like this, then Alt H in order to bring up the previous part that you have hidden, just like this. I think it's pretty amazing. So just when you apply the subdivision surface modifiers set to level 2, it's gonna be making a lot of issues due to the topology and distribution of these different elements. So let's add some supported loop cuts. Let's add another one over here, drag it just a tiny bit closer to this part. Also do the same thing for this part, and Ctrl R to... I don't think I should add another, just I should add it over here. And we should add another loop cut, Ctrl R to the bottom, just move it closer like this. Then let's add another loop cut to support this edge. Then let's see what we have. So we need another loop cut. I think this will be so fine. Another loop cut. So let's see what we have. I think it's done and it's pretty amazing. So let's add subdivision surface modifier. Tap into object mode. So just shady smooth or auto smooth. So let's see the new shape that we have created. I think we have some issues. Over here, tap into object mode, turn on subdivision surface modifier. We need to add some, some supporting edge loop, Ctrl R. Just leave it as it is, then add another loop cut over here. So I won't see if we have some issues. I think it's not bad, but should add another loop cut, Ctrl R, then move it closer to this part. E and F if you want to slide it like this. Ctrl R, E, and drag it closer to this section. Enable subdivision surface modifier. So tap into object mode. Let's see what we have. I think it's not bad, like this. A to select all, Shift N to recalculate the normals, M to merge by distance. You have no problems and no issues with this topology. And we have modeled this amazing shape amazing kitbash. In the next video I will continue adding some details to the shape, and we do some topology study in order to understand and make clean topology as shown here in our tutorial, and that's pretty amazing. And thanks for watching.